Hi, welcome. I'm Bedazzled Nails, and the company UNT, whatever we call them, saw that I have been using their peel base for ages, like I'm sure most of us have in the nail space. Been using them since I started collecting indie nail polishes many moons ago. And it's always been my go-to, and it's still like in my top 3. It's, when it disappeared off of Amazon, I was heartbroken and I had to go find other things. And it was trials and tribulations. So I'm so glad they're back. And I'm really excited that they sent me this package. It has cuticle oils, long-lasting polish, peelable polish. It also includes like cuticle balm, like a fermented essence. Like, this is the stuff I use on my face. And now you're telling me somebody's out there releasing it for nails. So I am so excited they sent this to me. And I kind of go over the products and just show them at the end. And really the big takeaway just from this video is I'm very excited, and I plan on updating in another like 1 to 2 weeks after I've had a chance to really use the balm and the essence and just see what it does for my skin. I'm really excited. Like, fermented essences, like my favorite is like a black rice one I have, and I use the fresh one to take off my makeup, and you can leave that micellar water on. So it's really good, and there's lots of evidence that it's great for skin. So I can't wait. I can't wait to use some of this higher quality, skincare ingredients on my nails and my cuticles. So yeah, I really hope it does great things. They did send me this package, but all they said was, hey, maybe you can make a video when you get the box. So here I am. They didn't say I had to do a review. They didn't say, I needed to film using their products. There's like nothing after this. This is not an ad. This was like, hey, check out our stuff. That's what I'm going to do. I am obsessed with skincare. I know I'm a nail channel, but I've always been about skincare. I use a lot of the same skincare on my hands because, our hands, they age. And if you're busy and you're taking care of your face, your hands are going to be what's going to tell on you. And so it's really important to start taking care of them early too. And that includes sunscreen. I am a sunscreen, I don't want to say Nazi. Let's not say Nazi, but I'm a sunscreen pusher. Is that better? I don't know if that's better, but sunscreen's important. Use it every day. Use it when you're in the house because you have windows in your house. You walk out to your car when you're dropping off the kids or you're headed to the store, and put it on your hands because your hands, that's what those age spots are that show up. It's sun damage, just like on our face. So I'll get off my soapbox, let you see the rest of the goodies. Check out this fermented essence, how beautiful it is going on. It's so hydrating. It's so moisturizing. It's very silky. It soaks up very fast. So I'm very excited. And I hope you guys are too. And I can't wait to let you know how it goes. Thank you for your time. I hope you have a fantastic day, night, evening, morning, whenever you find me. And take care. Bye.